One of the really neat features that OneDrive also allows, the ability to request files, so that if I want external people to upload files to my OneDrive, I can create a folder. In this case, I'm creating this folder called Pictures from Event. And I can choose on that folder this request files option. It gives me a link that I can send to the people that I want to upload files. Or again, you can send it via email. And tells me that I've finished my file request. For any external user that I send that link to. So here's the link. I want you to upload pictures from that event. They can click on that link. It tells them what I'm requesting because I've entered that into my request files thing. Allows them to select files that they want to upload. So they go ahead and do that as the guest user. It asks for the first name and last name to append to this file so that the recipient of the file knows who's contributed it. And when it's uploaded, I can take a look at it from my corporate identity and see the file name is appended with the name that was added when they uploaded the file. I can see that it was a guest contributor. Nobody needs to have actual permissions on my OneDrive or to this folder to do this. They only see the screen that allows them to upload pictures or icons or files.